आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. Question says that we have to find the value of lambda for which the four given points with position vector. This is the first position vector, and this is second, this is third and fourth, and they are coplanar to each other. Now we know, let's say this is A vector, this is B vector, this is C vector, and this is some D vector. So corresponding to this A vector, these points 3, -2, -1 will correspond to vector OA vector if we consider 3, -2, -1 as a point on the space. So A vector corresponds to OA vector, B vector corresponds to OB vector for some point B, 2, 3, -4. C vector corresponds to vector OC vector, and D vector corresponds to OD vector for some point D, 4, 5, lambda. Now OA vector that we have given, O is the origin, that is the position vector gives the distance of any point on the space or on the Cartesian plane from the origin. So this is 3i minus 2j minus k. This is 2i plus 3j minus 4k. This is minus I plus j plus 2k. This is 5. This is 4i plus 5j plus lambda. So we have to find the value of lambda, and it is given to us that the points are coplanar to each other. Now since the points are coplanar, that means they are lying on the same plane. So if ABCD are lying on the same plane, we can consider that from the point A, that is from the coordinates 3, -2, -1, if we find a vector from coordinate A to coordinate B, 2, 3, -4, then this will be given as AB vector. And similarly, we find out AC vector, -1, 1, 2 are the coordinates of C, and similarly, we will find out AD vector, this is 4, 5, and lambda, coordinates of D. So AB, AC, and AD will give vectors that will lie on the same plane, and this is what we mean by coplanarity. So AB vector, we will find out 3 x coordinate minus x coordinate of B. So this is 3 minus 2, that is 1 I cap. This is -2 minus 3 minus 5 j cap, -1 minus plus 4, that is plus 3 k cap. Now AC vector. AC vector will be 3 minus plus 1. So this is 4 I cap. This will be -2 minus 1, that is minus 3 j cap. This is -1 minus 2 minus 3 k cap. And finally AD vector will be given as 3 minus 4, that is minus I cap. This is -2 minus 5 minus 7 j cap, and -1 minus lambda. So this will be -1 minus lambda. We can take minus common, so this will become 1 plus lambda k cap. Now since AB, AC, AD lie on the same plane, and we know if three vectors lies on the same plane, then their determinant will be 0. So if we find out the scalar triple product, that is AB dot AC cross AD, the scalar triple product for the three vectors which are coplanar is 0, and scalar triple product in the Cartesian form gives the determinant of the components. So let us write down component wise component. So this is I cap component 1, this is 4, and this is -1. J cap component is -5, this is -3, -7. K cap component is 3, -3, and this is -1 plus lambda is equals to 0. Now this is a determinant. Let's say we are going to expand it along row number 1. So on expanding along row number 1, this will give, this is 1, and this will be -3 into -1 plus lambda. So this will be 3 into 1 plus lambda minus plus -7 times 3, 21. Now this is -5, so that will become +5, and the elements 4 multiply 1 plus lambda. So this will be 5 times 4 multiply 1 plus lambda will give -4 lambda, and this is minus plus 3, and this will be -3. Now for the last element plus 3, this will be 4 times 7, that is 28, minus 28. This is minus plus, and this will be -3, which is equals to 0. So this is 3 plus 3 lambda. We can write it here. This is 3 plus 3 lambda, and on multiplying 5 over here and multiplying 3 over here. So this is 3 plus, this will become 3 lambda, and this is -18. This will be, this is -4 and -3 will become -7, and -7 times 5 will give -35, and -5 times 4 will give 20 lambda. Now multiplying 3 with, this will be -31. So this will be -393 is equals to 0. So let's add up on this all. So this will be, these numbers will add up to give 146, and this will be -17 lambda is equals to 0. And from here 17 lambda is 146, and lambda will be 146 divided by 17. So this will be the value of lambda, 146 by 17. So this is the answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।